Hi, I'm Luiza and today we'll be making this beautiful star ornament out of empty toilet paper rolls. For this project we're gonna need 6 tubes and we're gonna start by cutting the first one up and flatten it. We're going to measure and cut a 9 cm by 9 cm square. Now that we have our square, we're going to fold it down the middle and measure 1 cm pieces, just like this. Now we're going to glue together the pieces, just like this. We need to repeat this process for the remaining 5 tubes. Now that we have the 6 pieces, we're going to glue them together in order to create our beautiful ornament. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!